Hi, I'm Kate, and today we're going to unbox the Gigabyte Xtreme Gaming Geforce GTX 1080 graphics card. So let's begin. First we'll start with the box itself. It's pretty huge, so I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of goodies are packed inside. Let's look at the sides. On one side we have branding. The other side we have serial model numbers, and on the bottom, different language, and the top, the Xtreme Gaming logo. If we look at the back, we see a preview of what's inside. So we should see improved cooling performance compared to past cards, a VR link front panel for the ability to connect VR peripherals to the front of our computer, and other things such as supposedly better protection from dust, moisture, etc. Lighting configurations that are customizable to match the rest of our rig, and an SLI bridge that's also light upable. So are we ready to look inside? All right. So I'll start on this side, up here at the top. We've got a tab that we can pull open, and another one down here at the bottom. And let's go ahead and slip open the side. Alright, so inside the box, as I hope you can see on the video, we've got a fancy black box that's matte with little shiny diamonds on it. Another lip here. Oh, let me flip it over. So this is the top with the Xtreme Gaming logo on front. And we're open. Very cool. All right, so let me turn it around so you guys can see. So inside here, we've got a pretty fancy logo on top, which beckons us to peel back the top. And here we have the insides. The packaging is pretty. So inside, looks like we have a sweatband for those extreme gaming sessions, though this graphics card is supposed to be cooler than its predecessors, so hopefully you're not sweating from the heat from the card itself. Looks like we have connectors for our power supply. A fancy envelope with graphic on it. Registration, quick start guide, and warranty information were in the envelope itself. Let me slip these back into here so they don't get lost, and we'll set them off to the side. Also inside, we've got a case of some kind. So let's go ahead and open that. It's a mouse pad. So fabric mouse pad, rubberized back, fancy stitching around the edges, and the Xtreme Gaming logo on the front. Very nice. So if we take off this black cardboard top that had all the goodies inside of it, now we get to the meat, the stuff that we really paid all the money for. So here in the front, if you look closely, you can see this looks like to be our SLI bridge, or at least the light up portion that they advertised on the back. This part, this part slips open here. That's holding the actual card. Let's slip this bad boy out. Oh yeah, This guy's a beast. We'll get to him last since he's the main event. Okay. Over here on the side looks to be HDMI port plate for the back of your CPU tower with, looks like just standard hardware for installation. Yeah, screws and some plates and nuts. All right. Next, peel out of here. Uh-oh, that's a little difficult to pull out, so let's pull out this next piece here. Yes, so this is our SLI bridge for if we had 2 of these graphics cards. It's a pretty bridge, prettier than others that I have seen. I think it'll look really cool once it's lit up. We may have to do another video to show it installed. Put that aside there. Well, isn't this cute? Looks like our graphics card comes with a little aluminum emblem to put on our CPU tower, or on our tower. And this must be that VR link that we talked about on the back of the box. Ah, it is. So in here, we have screws for mounting, and here's the actual plate itself with, there we go, 2 USB ports and 2 HDMI ports with all the appropriate cabling to go in the back. I'm going to put this back in its box with the screws so we don't lose that later when we're trying to install. So if we look under the foam, that's all we have. So that's everything in the box. Let's look at the graphics card itself. So we have our anti-static packaging. This is always the best part. It had a box to go on the end, probably to protect it during shipping. It feels like there's another cardboard box on the other end of the card as well, so be careful when pulling it out. Yep, so there's the rest of the box inside. All right, so here we go. The graphics card itself, and it is beautiful. Heavy, very, very heavy, but beautiful. Look at the size of this guy. 3 fans. The emblem, which matches the other one we got in the box. I can't tell where the lighting's supposed to go, but I believe them when they say it will be there. Maybe it's on top here. And then we've got our fins to direct heat away. All right, so that concludes our unboxing of Gigabyte's Extreme Gaming Edition Geforce 1080 graphics card. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.